Hi guys, welcome back. So yeah, this is part two. Okay. Yep. Okay. This is part two. So yeah, let me just. Okay, I made a little extra just like I one. I don't think this is part two. This is Apple. This is where they really. That's very good. I forgot something else. You can also go on like. I cannot climb it. Let's get a ladder. Pick a block. There you go. Okay, first let's go to the swimming pool to jump. And to the infinite drop. Now let's go to the next one. It says right here. The slide. It's gonna slide. The slide! Well, he's dead. Okay, let's go. And next one is going to be a special one. We're going. You guys have to guess. It's something to cook. Look. Yes. Oh, and also there's also a campsite here, I forgot. And then we want to put the sign right there. And then this will take a while. Again. How long this will take? No. This is the playroom. We're going to another one. Yep. Now we're gonna cook a cake. Now let's bake. First, you get a cake. You can take as many cakes as you want. And then the first round. Let's put on this. Okay. Where is it? Okay, someone robbed me maybe. We just have the cake now. I guess let's just skip. And now this is where you put the okay, I hate this. Oh well, I guess this thing is cancelled. At least I showed you the swimming pool. Bye guys.